Hi everyone, welcome to Flavors by Manju. Let's make this crispy, spicy chili egg recipe. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss a recipe. Take 4 boiled eggs and cut each one into 4 pieces, just the right size for a perfect bite. Now for the batter, in a bowl, I'm adding 3 teaspoons of maida, 3 teaspoons of corn flour, a bit of salt, and about a quarter teaspoon of pepper powder. Just give that a mix, then slowly add water and make a smooth batter. Not too thick, not too runny. Make the consistency of the batter as shown in the video. Now take one of the egg pieces and dip it in. Give it a nice even coat. Heat oil in a pan and gently add in the coated egg pieces. Fry them on medium flame until they turn golden and crispy. Look at the texture, so good. Now in another pan, heat 1 tablespoon of the same oil. Add chopped garlic, ginger, green chillies and some onions. Saute them on high flame. I did add capsicum and onion cubes too, but missed recording that part. Just saute everything on high flame. Now season it with some salt, black pepper and white pepper. Keep the flame high and give it all a good mix. Time to add the sauces. I am going in with tomato ketchup, soya sauce, red chilli sauce. And if you have got green chilli sauce at home, go ahead and add that too. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and mix everything well on high flame and cook until it thickens. Then add a spoon of Chinese chilli paste and mix everything well. Now gently add in the fried eggs and give everything a good mix. Saute it all for a minute or two, just until the eggs are nicely coated with all that spicy flavorful sauce. Finish it off with a handful of fresh spring onions. And that's it for today. I really hope you give this chili egg a try. It's super easy and so flavorful. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a like and drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.